guys don't know, this is my brother's car. My brother doesn't live here anymore, but he's still buying a shit ton of parts for his car, and he's having me install them. So whenever he comes home, he can have all these parts on his car already ready for him. So today what we're doing is the muffler delete. Right now what he has is a downpipe with no cat, so straight downpipe to a muffler delete. He's tuned by EQT. He has the pops from EQT, and I've heard that those pops are super aggressive, especially with a muffler delete. So we'll see how this sounds. It's probably gonna be way louder than it should be without a resonator, but you know, that's what he wants, so that's what we're gonna give him. From the kit, all I really gotta show you though, like the most important part, the only part anyone's gonna see, is these nice giant tips with ECS written on them. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty sick, nice and huge. You can see my full throttle through them. Yeah, and then after that, it's literally just pipes. So nothing like special or nothing, just pipes and stuff. But we're gonna get this installed, then we'll do some sound clips and show you how it sounds. I have crack hairs, they're just wild right now. Don't make fun of me. It's cold today, it's really windy, even though it's 50 degrees outside. It's windy as fuck, so it's so cold. Let's get this installed. Hopefully I said what I need to say. Okay. This exhaust clip is gonna be from my brother's GTI. He's stage 2 with EQT, stock turbo, and catless downpipe. Yeah, so this is how that sounds. Now it stinks like 91 octane over here. Alright, let's get this shit installed. Ah! 2 hours later and we're back. I'm mic'd up again now. That jack doesn't work anymore, so I have to go get this one. If that jack can get fixed, and I put more hydraulic fluid in it. So you know how to fix this. I don't know if you can see that, it's stuck. That one down there is just like stuck. If you know how to fix this so I can return that one, let me know, because I don't know. This one was on sale, so like if I can't fix it, it's not the end of the world. If you're buying stuff at Harbor Freight, get warranty. You got what I need. You say you're just a friend. This is how we're looking. Got the plates holding the car. Yep, they're secure. Honestly, I guess you kind of said I made this method up. I've never tried it before, but let's give it a shot and see how it works. So this is so we can get a more accurate, I guess, measurement. I don't know. And so this pipe overlaps, so basically what you gotta do is you gotta leave a little bit of space so the pipe can go into the original exhaust. So there we go. That should work pretty well like that. So basically what I did, I zip tied it to the original exhaust. Then I took a Sharpie and I made my line where I wanted to cut. super simple. Okay, now that we got our line, we can basically just cut this off using more Harbor Freight tools.
Yeah.
Got a pipe cutter?
Yeah.
And that cuts it pretty well, to be honest. Next thing I'm gonna tell you guys, I would just take off the whole muffler from the brackets and then take off the bushings off the car, because these are hard as fuck to take off, and I'm not excited to do this. Be careful, stock muffler is pretty heavy. Last time I did this, the bushings were really cold and it was really cold outside, really hard to get off. So I'm thinking is, I'm gonna hit it with some heat. Sorry mom for using this, probably not even strong enough for what I'm trying to do, but hopefully it works. The bushings are like the harder part to do here. All right, back to it.
You ain't even think for making it sense, but that's okay, cause I'm not gonna argue. Being warmed by the kid shit, yeah, just getting scary, gotta cross the big start about to leave it out. Just wait, you ever seen them on.
So if you're wondering what I'm doing now, last time I did this on my car, it was kind of hard to actually get the thing onto this pipe onto the stock one. So I have like exhaust expander. So what I'm gonna do is I just basically expanded the exhaust a little bit so it can fit easier. If you're wondering where you can get the cutters and this, they're free rentals at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or Advance Auto. The reason I have the kit was because my dumbass didn't return it in time and I had to buy it. So I have this kit now, but they're free rentals. So if you want to do this on your own, you can just go rent these for free. Or these are pretty cheap. This is like 20 bucks at Harbor Freight. This one's the expensive one. Bye. Okay, finally finished. I know I started way earlier, but finally done. So I'm gonna put this car on the ground and then we can turn it on and let you guys hear how it starts. Then I'm gonna go take it for a quick test drive, make sure everything's good, and take you guys with me, and hopefully it sounds good. It's gonna be loud as fuck. I know that for sure, 100%. It's gonna be insanely loud. No cat, no muffler. It's gonna be loud as fuck. It only has like a resonator, so I added a resonator to mine and it made mine a lot more quiet in the lower RPMs. With this, how it is, it's gonna be really loud, it's gonna be obnoxious all the time, and then also in those lower RPMs there's gonna be a little bit of drone and the little bit of the annoying stuff. We do have a resonator. Actually, I'm gonna go grab it. I don't know why he doesn't want to put it, but I do have a Vibrant Performance. It's just a resonator. I have a resonator. This is literally the same exact one I have in my car. Helps out with the drone and a little bit with the tone, a lot, but he doesn't want to run it, and it's whatever. On the original mic, because I want you guys to hear how this exhaust sounds from the same mic I showed you the first example from. So yeah, let's see how this sounds. It's for sure gonna be super loud, like super loud. warmed up a good amount, so I'm gonna give you guys some revs and we'll see if there's some flames or something. It smells like straight 91 and it is way too loud. This fool needs a resonator. These pops are insane. Oh my god. Alright. We'll go for a ride in a sec. The tint in this car is way too dark. Okay, either way it's nighttime, so. But you don't need to see me, all you need to do is hear me. So we're gonna go for a drive. Windows down a little bit. God damn, this thing's fucking loud. Okay, we got a little bit of an open road. God damn, this shit's so loud. Oh man, this shit actually sounds like bullets. I don't know, I've never driven a I've driven this car, but for whatever reason the EQT tune, it's real aggressive. Before I go completely, I guess I'll just give you guys a look at how the tips look. It is real dark, but you know, I can give you guys a little look. That's how they look. They look pretty dope. They're huge though. That's a thing though. I like how much they stick out from the side. Yeah, this look dope.